Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about variables and variables declaration in Go language. A variable is a simple memory location. A name that is given to a memory location is called variable. Like this box is a variable. It contains size and its name is marks. And here is the basic syntax for variable declaration. Var is the keyword and you can assign name to the variable name, optional data type in case of Go language. Now we are going toward implementation. Open golang.org and here you can declare variables. Var is the predefined keyword, variable name is like I, and here is the data type. After predefined keyword, here is the variable name and this is the type like integer, and run the program. You will face error because I is declared and not used. So you cannot declare any variable. Even if you are not using I, then delete this, or otherwise use I in your print statement, and the initial value of I is 0. You can declare multiple variables like I, J, K, and here I, J, and K. Run the program. The value of I is 0, value of J and K is also 0. Now you can assign values like I is equal to 1, J is equal to 2, K is equal to 3. Run the program. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching this video.